Okay, how to install an indicator from our forum. You go to the indicator in the forum, click on it, and it will download into your download folder. You then go to your download folder on your PC and find the file. You right click and copy it. You then go to your MT4 platform, you click on file, you click on open data folder, and when the data folder opens, you click on MQL4 and then on indicators. You then right click and paste the indicator. You will see it appearing in your list. You can now close this folder. Then you come to your MT4 platform, you look at the indicator list, you'll see that it isn't there. You right click, you refresh, and voila, there it is. Then you simply drag it onto your chart and say okay, and there is the indicator.